How to connect TERABOX to Telegram bot. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to connect TERABOX to Telegram bot. If you haven't already, create a new bot on Telegram using the bot folder. Then follow the instructions to get your bot's API token. Now, open the TERABOX website or app and log in to your account. Then navigate to the Settings or Integration section in TERABOX. Look for an option to connect to Telegram or add a new bot. After that, enter your bot's API token when prompted. Here, set up the bot's permissions and configure how you want to interact with your TERABOX files. In the end, send a test command to your bot to ensure everything is set up correctly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.